Hi guys, we're keeping the G strategy workshop. Today is online. On Saturday, I'm in Pune, and Sunday in Thane, Dadar, and Borivali. So just WhatsApp any of these numbers. I'm keeping the workshop there. Next week, I'm planning to keep in Nashik, Aurangabad, Nagpur as well. In fact, this Wednesday, we are in Vashi as well. So just WhatsApp any of the numbers we've given here so that they can book your seat. Today, 6 to 7 p.m., it's online. Today, I want to pick up a topic called cubes. A very interesting topic, latest in thing these days, very common for CET and the other exams. So for that, you have to try to solve this question. If you can solve this question, then you're sorted. Then you know this topic. See, even though it's an easy topic, but if I have some shortcuts, if I have some tricks, it'll be very easy for me to solve. So, which of the following alphabet is opposite of E? आप एक बार ट्राई करो. नहीं ट्राई करो. I'm waiting for you. ठीक है, टाइम लगेगा. So let me introduce the G strategy for this topic. There are the 4 G strategies here. I want to cover up one very simple thing for the G strategy. The neighbor are never opposite. Very simple G strategy for this topic. Neighbors are never opposite. Find the opposite of E. E का जो भी opposite होगा neighbor नहीं हो सकता. ऑपोजिट मतलब दुश्मन. जो भी ई का दुश्मन है वो ई का कभी दोस्त नहीं हो सकता. So we just remove the option which contain all the friends. मतलब it can't be D, it can't be C. Neighbor of opposite of E. It can't be E himself obviously. It can't be B, it can't be F. तो कौन बचा? A. That's it. Bingo. तो E का ऑपोजिट कौन आएगा? A. Game over. That's it. Yeah, 10 seconds to get the answer. See, there are total 4 strategies. This is not the only one. That 4 strategies combined together will get your answer 100%. This is one of the strategy. Find the opposite of E. तो पहले E को ढूंढो. E यहाँ पे है. जो भी E का नेबर आ गया वो कब पक्का ऑपोजिट नहीं आएगा. उसको निकाल दो. जो बचा तुम्हारा आंसर. एक और ट्राई करो. Find the opposite of C. Find the opposite of C. C यहाँ दिखा है मुझे और C यहाँ दिखा मुझे. ये 4 तो नहीं आ सकते. तो जो बचा वो तुम्हारा आंसर. जय माता दी. C का ऑपोजिट C नहीं हो सकता. D नहीं आ सकता. E भी नहीं आ सकता. बचा कौन? F. तो आंसर इज F. 10 सेकेंड जॉब. ठीक है. So in case you want to learn all these beautiful things, you can join our program. So Monday आज से हमारा प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हो रहा है. We're going to cover the G strategy shortcut for every topic. Maths, verbal, logic, all the topics. बस एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन कर दो. ऑपोजिट ऑफ B. ठीक है. तो in case you want to attend the demo lecture or meet me, you are most welcome. Today is online and this whole week I'm traveling to Vashi, Thane, Dadar, Borivali, Pune. B की ऑपोजिट कौन आएगा? Trust me, within 10 seconds you get your answer. B की ऑपोजिट A एंड C नहीं हो सकता. C नहीं आएगा. B की ऑपोजिट E एंड F भी नहीं आ सकता. E एंड F भी नहीं आ सकता. तो कौन बचा? D. That's it. Game over. Alright. So in case you want to join for all these beautiful shortcuts, see, G strategy is basically common sense. Trust me. वो आप खुद भी कर सकते हो. बस के टाइम लगेगा ढूंढने में. तो 50 शॉर्टकट तुम ढूंढो. 50 शॉर्टकट मैं तुम्हें देता हूँ. होगी अपने पास 100 क्वेश्चन तैयार. ठीक है. So WhatsApp any of the numbers given here to join our program for books, mock shortcuts or to attend the live lecture. All the best.